Hello, and thank you for watching English Answers with Tutor Nathan. I am your host and personal virtual tutor, Tutor Nathan. In today's video, you will be learning all about the future simple tense and how to use it. And as always, if you'd like to download the materials used in this video, please visit the link down below. If you are a subscriber, thanks for watching. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell, as well as leaving a like and a comment down below. And as always, I hope you have a great day. So let's get right into it. So here we are. What is the future tense and how do we use it? What is the future tense? It is willingness, predictions, imperatives, and a couple other things as well. So how do you form the future simple tense? We use the subject plus will plus the base verb form. For example, they will work, she will run, and I will drive. The word will always go before. And predictions. What is a prediction? A prediction is something that you make a guess at using the existing evidence or facts that you have. So let's look at the sentences here. He will marry her. It will rain later tonight because it might be cloudy. And my team will win the championship. That might just be hopeful thinking, but it's also a prediction too if the team is really good. Willingness. Willingness is allowing someone or something to do something to you. For example, he'll let you use the umbrella. She will marry him. And I'll watch the game with you. Split decisions. What are split decisions? These are decisions that you make without really thinking about or what the consequences might be. For example, we have here, I'll pay for your meal. You could be saying that to be polite, or if you're in a group, you could be paying for everybody else's meal. And then we have, we'll get the next bus. You might just be about to miss the next bus and you don't really want to run to catch it, or it might not be a good route. And lastly, I'll let you use my computer. You could be just giving someone permission. Negatives. What is a negative? A negative is just simply a statement that has the opposite of the intended meaning. And we use the word will not when we are forming a negative in a future tense. And so that we can also use a contraction, as you can see in the hint down below. And the contraction or short form of the word is won't. So let's look at these sentences. I won't let you use my umbrella. You could be saying that because you want to be mean to someone, or you might need it for yourself because it's raining outside. She won't marry him. Again, you could also be saying that to be mean, or she just might not love him or like him that much, and it's very obvious to everyone but the man. And finally, your team will not win the game. Of course, you could just be saying that to fans of the other team just to get them mad and riled up. And now we're on to questions. And as you can see in the hint below, when we form questions in the future simple tense, we use the word shall instead of will. And when we form a question in the future simple tense, we use shall plus the subject plus the verb. So for example, let's look at the questions here. Shall we watch the game later? You could be asking your friend if they want to come over and watch. And now we have, shall I pay for our meal? You could be with your girlfriend or with your friends out and could be asking them if they need help paying for their bill or something. And finally, what shall I tell him when he asks me to marry him? Well, that really sounds like a very confused woman to me, and she's not sure if she wants to marry him or not. We're almost done here. Now we're on to invitations, And invitations, I think, to me are just something that you ask someone to do something with you. For example, with this lady from before who wasn't sure if she wants to get married, I guess the man asked her the question, will you marry me? And now, will you watch the game with me? You could ask your friend or your coworkers, of course. And if you want to be polite, if it's raining outside and you don't need it, you could ask, will you need my umbrella? And lastly, imperatives. Imperatives are just you giving a command to someone else to do something. For example, you will take this bus after work. It could be another bus route that you could go on or something, I don't know. And we will watch the game tomorrow. You're telling your friends that you're going to watch the game tomorrow. And if it's raining outside and you don't have any plans tonight, you could always say, here, you will need my umbrella tonight. And now, a little quiz. What I would like you to do is fill in the blank about yourself. And when you are done, can you make some future simple sentences and questions about other people? I'll give you a couple seconds to pause the video before moving on. And if you made it this far into the video, thank you. And if you liked it, please give it a like and share. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. And it would go a long way to make this channel successful if you could please donate to my Patreon page. Thank you, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.